Good morning, all of you. Today we will describe the consistent and inconsistent system of linear equation. I have already described in the graphical method that the system will be consistent or inconsistent. It depends upon the condition of the line. First, if there are unique solution and infinite number of solution, then there will be consistent system. And if there are parallel lines, then there will be no solution. So first part, condition for unique solution. There are two ways to check the unique solution. Once you draw graph, if lines of the graph are intersecting, then you see that there is unique solution and the system is consistent. And if two lines are of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then there will be unique solution. Unique solution when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for unique solution. Without drawing graph, you can find it. Second, for infinitely many solution, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, here all three ratios are equal, then graphs are coincident, means lines are overlapping, so you will say the system is consistent and there are infinite number of solutions. Third case, if you are finding a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but this is not equal to c1 upon c2, then there will be no solution and graph of the line will come parallel. So this depends upon the ratio. If all are unequal, then unique solution. All are equal, then infinitely many solution. First two equal and third unequal, then no solution. So how we will check two straight lines whether their solution exists or not without using graph? In previous turn we use the graph. Here no need to draw the graph. So here in first question, two equations are given. Two equations are given to you and you have to check what type of system it is. First equation is 2x plus 3y plus 7. Second equation is 3x plus 5y minus 8. You find out a1. In first equation, coefficient of x will be a1 and a2 in second equation, coefficient of x. So a1 upon a2 value will be 2 upon 3. In a similar manner, coefficient of y will be b in both equations. In first equation it is called b1, that is 3. In second equation it is 5. So b1 upon b2 value is 3 upon 5. Now constant term will be c1 in first equation and c2 in second equation. c1 upon c2 is here 7 upon minus 8. Now check all these three ratios. Check whether these are equal or not equal. Here we are observing these all three are not equal. All three are not equal means lines are intersecting line, and there is unique solution and the system is consistent. Without drawing graph, we have determined here the system is consistent and the line will be intersecting. This way you have to do working in this topic. Second, consider second pair. In this second pair, the equation is 3x plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0, 6x plus 8y plus 9 equal to 0. These are two equations. You have to check which type of system it is. a1 upon a2 you have to find out. I already told you in first equation coefficient of x will be a1. In second equation coefficient of x will be a2. So a1 upon a2 3 upon 6. On simplification this gives you half. Also b1 upon b2 4 upon 8, that is also half. And third c1 upon c2 minus 8 upon 9. Here we are observing a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 are equal, but third one is unequal. Above I told that if first two are equal and the third is unequal, then the lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means the system will be inconsistent and there is no solution. This way you will remark the solution here. Third case, consider these two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and 4x plus 6y plus 14 equal to 0. Here also you have to check which type of system it is. First of all, determine the value of a1 upon a2, a1 2, a2 4, a1 upon a2 2 upon 4, it is 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 3 upon 6, further it is 1 upon 2, c1 upon c2 7 upon 14, this is also 1 upon 2. Now here we are observing that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. All three are equal here, and I told that if all three are equal, then lines are coincident and the system of equation has infinitely many solutions and this system is also consistent. So this way you have to check the consistency of line. I have given examples also, and every condition is verified here. Now few practice questions are for you. You have to check, you have to do as above examples, whether the system is consistent or inconsistent, which kind of solution. This you have to write. Nature of line you have to write, whether it is consistent or inconsistent, or also the first pair is here, this 2x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 8 is 0, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. This is second, this is third, and here also this fourth part, here fifth part, here sixth part. You have to do working as per given above examples. Second type of questions are here. In these questions, the condition of consistency will be given and you have to determine the value of unknown terms. Here you have to find out value of k for which the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. So these two equations are here. These two equations are here, and you have to find the value of k so that the system has infinitely many solutions. The equation is x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 5, 2x plus 4y equal to k. Because infinitely many solutions are there, it is given in question, definitely this condition will hold. a1 की value 1 होगी because there is no coefficient, because don't write x and y variable here. b1 is 2 and c1 is minus 5. You can transpose this 5 to the left side. So put value a1 upon e2, that is 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2, that is 2 upon 4, it is also 1 upon 2, and c1 upon c2 minus 5 upon minus k. This substitution and apply cross multiplication here. If you apply cross multiplication, you will get 2 minus k equal to 4 5 to 20. This gives you k equal to 10. This way you can determine the value of k under the condition that system has infinitely many solutions. Second, find the value of k for which the system of equation has no solution. Now here it is in a condition of no solution, and in no solution condition you are knowing that a1 upon e2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not c1 upon c2. So a1 upon e2 is 1 upon 2 here, substituting in the formula. b1 upon b2 is 2 upon k, these two, and c1 upon c2 is minus 5 upon minus 8. So on simplification, applying cross multiplication in first two part, we get k equal to 4 here. This is the condition. Under this condition, value of k is 4 when there are infinite number of solutions. No solution. And the third part, you have to find out value of k for which the system has unique solution. So in these equations, you know that the system has unique solution, and if unique solution, then there is the condition that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So substituting all these values in the formula and apply cross multiplication. Cross multiplication you will apply here only. This 2k equal to 12. So this 2k equal to 12 is giving you k is not 6. K is not 6. So for k is not 6, there is unique solution, and other value its solution exists. So you have to write only k equal to not 6. So same type of question I have given here. You have to do all these. First question, that find the value of k for which the system of equation has infinitely many solutions. See above example accordingly to first part and second part of this. In the same way, second question, this is the condition of no solution, and the third one is the condition of unique solution. Under these conditions, you have to determine the value of k. Few hard level questions will be there. Those questions we will see later on in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.